Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you. A Tesla Model S P85D with salvage title was able to miraculously power on, despite being submerged underwater for 10 days when catastrophic Hurricane Harvey swept through Houston, Texas last year. The discovery comes by way of hobbyist Tesla rebuilder Rich, who shares his story in his popular Rich Rebuilds YouTube channel about purchasing a severely flood-damaged Model S for $20,000 and attempting to restore it. In the video, Rich could be seen power washing the vehicle's internals and interior, including the entire instrument cluster and 17-inch center touchscreen. The car enthusiast also power washed the mold off the vehicle's interior panels. After washing out the interior, Rich hooked up an external power source to the Model S front-mounted 12-volt battery in an attempt to jumpstart the vehicle and see if anything would be functional. This was when things started becoming very, very interesting. Immediately after getting jump-started, the vehicle's instrument cluster and infotainment console started booting up. Its hazard lights turned on as well. Rich and his team then attempted to unlock the vehicle, and sure enough, after a couple of tries, it did. Once unlocked, the Model S door handles, fog lights, and interior dome lights were activated. Despite the numerous on-screen warnings, the vehicle's infotainment system was still operational, showing no moisture despite getting power washed just half an hour before the vehicle was jump-started. Even more amazing, the Model S showed that it was still connected to the internet through LTE. Rich and his team tried accessing Google through the media control unit, and much to their amazement, the electric car's browser worked just fine. Overall, Rich and his team's reactions to the vehicle were summed up in the auto enthusiast's statement when it was evident that the Model S was still very much alive. You can't kill a Tesla. You can't. You just can't kill it. Rich's findings in his latest project seem to be a direct confirmation of Tesla CEO Elon Musk's statement back in June 2016. When he commented on a video of a Model S owner using the car as a makeshift boat while wading through a flooded tunnel in Kazakhstan. According to Musk then, the luxury all-electric sedan could indeed float without damaging its internals, since its battery and drivetrain are sealed. Tesla's electric cars command a high price even as salvaged vehicles. Rich paid $20,000 for the electric car, and this price is actually on the average side of salvaged Tesla prices. As could be seen in eRepairables, a website dedicated to listings of damaged electric vehicles, a salvaged Tesla Model S could easily fetch $30,000 and above, close to the prices of a CPO Model S. The Tesla Model S is among the vehicles on the market with a high resale value. Last year, Autolist conducted a survey which concluded that the luxury electric sedan depreciates less than cars from competing manufacturers. The same poll revealed that second-hand Teslas sell much faster than their ICE counterparts as well. Watch Rich's video featuring the reactivation of his flooded Model S in the video below. Thank you for watching our video. Please give us a big like, subscribe to our channel for new videos every day with amazing cars. Leave us your opinion in the comment section on the video. Thank you.